Welcome, today in front of me Cubot P50 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago here, and I will make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. Okay, that works, but I'll just change the feature to directly unlock the device. Lock screen. Okay, so once again, 1, 2, 3. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here correct. We can unlock the device just less than a couple of seconds. This is the good result for the face unlock feature. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.